Yes, I guess on paper that does make me feel more American, but I think nothing to me feels more American than being the son of my mother and my father, of somebody that came from the Northeast through a story like that, and a woman that came from the Philippines with a story like that.
What has our journey today meant to you?
It has validated my existence in all the colors, in all the glory. I'm so humble. I have a renewed respect and awe. It was always there, but on a much deeper level, for my ancestors and what they endured. And I feel healing happening already. It's healing.
For me, it's empowerment. It's not just me. You know, we had this thing where I've been guilty of sometimes where, you know, it's like, motherfucker, you just got here. You just got here.
Right.
They're people, ancestors. They went through holy hell so you could be here. So this not you just showing up. Like, don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted.
That's right. No, you have a purchase on America.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the beginning.
Yeah.
And that is something I did not expect, and I do feel that's a new skin I've never worn. I've only worn it for like an hour. So the idea that is part of my blood and bone and skin
We have a funny hat.
is wild.
You're like popping out of the curly
Yeah,
head here.
yeah, that I didn't know that it was there the whole time. So it's yes, I guess on paper that does make me feel more American, but I think nothing to me feels more American than being the son of my mother and my father, of somebody that came from the Northeast through a story like that, and a woman that came from the Philippines with a story like that.
Right.
Doing what I do for a living, getting to talk to you in New York City, on apparently a city where my ancestors had land.
400 years ago.
So hundreds of years ago. Yes, it makes me feel more American, but nothing makes me feel more American than being the son of being first generation American on my mother's side. I think that is the most American piece of my identity. But now I have some more. Now I've got some more superlatives. So
I think the biggest surprise is probably hearing the family members that were actual slaves, and hearing the families that they might have come from and the areas that they might have lived in, because you think that your history is that deep, but to actually see, black male 14, whether I, want to claim it or have pride or, feel, some type of way about it, our family was a part of slavery.
There's just instinctual stuff that I've had. I feel, my early life was very much situated in Guilford County. And that is what I am, you know what I mean? And so it's just to see that, how much of all of the various different, ancestral lines, how much of that is focused on not just North Carolina, but that area of North Carolina, Guilford County, Orange County, Surrey County, it's been pretty amazing. It's like, yes, I am a Carolina girl in every way, not just in my heart, but also in my blood.
You got some Virginia in there.
A little bit of Virginia. It can stay.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.